All right, guys, we are back from Shanghai Motor Show with new content related to BMW. We might have seen our video with BMW i7, M7, and also the new iDrive 8.5. But right now, I am joined by Rebecca and Chloe. They're responsible for the launch of the new operating system and product management also for the new operating system 9 and 8.5. But in this particular case, we're going to talk about iDrive 9, operating system 9, and we're going to show you a demo on the car. There is a little caveat, it's just a demo, so we can't really access the screen. You've seen that in the iDrive 8.5, so you can check that out. So let's just take a look and see what has changed compared to iDrive 8. And Chloe and Rebecca, they're going to tell us what's new, how it's supposed to work. And there is one more caveat, it's Chinese specific right now, the software, but the global software will be a little bit different, but the overall look and feel it's similar. So
start.
All right.
So let me start the demo here in the car. So what you see is actually now the welcoming screen, that is personalized after your login with BMW ID. And what directly pops up here is our new user UI, which we call Quick Select.
Quick Select. So that'll be the one on the left side, basically.
Exactly. This is a zero-layer concept, where you can have access to all main user use cases at first sight. So now if we go here to that screen, we're in the All Apps menu. So as you see below, we have 3 direct access buttons. And at this point in time, we see now some,
you can rearrange them basically. So in the operating one, you can hold it basically, and then you just move it around like on an iPhone.
Move the apps like you're used from your cell phone, exactly.
Gotcha. Perfect.
So this is now just showing some China-specific content.
Okay.
This is how the App Store looks like. So this is the third-party App Store coming with the operating system 9. And now for sure you see China-specific apps. But the cool thing is with operating system 9, we can also integrate local hero apps in other countries. So we can specify
be localized, basically, content.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is shown here is the intelligent personal assistant, because focus is on touch and speech. So you see now one expression which we added in the personal assistant. So getting even more customer and user interference with that. So you can choose between a more neutral one and a more expressive one. So we have different IPA look and feel now. This is one example demonstrating how navigation works. So what is important here, the map and navigation is a China-specific provider we use. So the content will be different on a global level.
So that's new.
That's new, that's pretty cool. This is our new, very intuitive climate interaction. So you can easily go up and down. So
basically that's changed a little bit compared to iDrive 8.
Right, this has changed to iDrive 8. Also, like now here you have to say
it goes a little bit fast, but basically that's how you search for new addresses. Gotcha. Okay.
And you can search here for the POI or address wherever you want to go. Okay. And it's linked to some extended POI when it comes to charging lot, for example. So depending also on
POI, point of interest, right?
Yes, to the point of interest with additional information as well.
Okay.
So this is
okay. So change the routing with one click. Okay.
So this is now the example, like navigation looks
Okay.
like.
Okay. Waiting for the demo. Okay. And for people watching, it's just a loop basically, so we're waiting for the demo to advance.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's now this is a nice view because here we're back to the quick select concept where you can see here the live widgets which are always on the driver side.
Okay.
So he can easily access it and you can swipe it up and down for more information and direct access to the basic, the most important customer use cases.
Sure.
And also what is new is the home button actually that moved from the upper left to the center.
Okay.
You also are used from your cell phone.
It's honestly from a user experience, it's a lot easier to reach here than to try to reach at the top or there. So it's a lot more,
Exactly. So not even for the driver, but also for the co-driver. It's a much better position to reach now. Yeah. So this is another use case in China. which is quite China specific.
This is indoor parking.
So
Basically.
indoor parking. Okay,
Yeah.
very interesting.
This is
I mean, I'm pretty good in Chinese, but I missed this one. But no, that's very interesting.
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah,
It's
so
very
maybe you
cool.
can help on explaining that a
Yeah,
bit, Chloe.
Yes, and here is the e-route function. It's
Okay.
specific for the electrical cars.
Electric cars, okay.
Yeah. So you can show the empty charging spot and also the information how much you want to charge over there, and also with the in total estimation time of arrival. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, very interesting.
Yeah, and
now
also
it-
with all this information.
pricing and all of that,
Yes,
basically,
yes,
okay.
Yeah.
It's ratings for a particular parking garage,
Yes,
probably, right?
yeah.
I told you my Chinese is good.
So the concept is the same, like with the full digital experience. We also have this enriched point of interest information where you get, depending on the country, you get more information on the prices of fueling, parking lot availability, and so on.
Understood. Okay.
This is one use case from the App Store that you can just install the apps from the App Center. Yeah, and this is a video also very popular in China, so it's also China specific.
So Youku. Okay.
Yes.
So kind of
Yeah.
like YouTube.
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of like that. Yeah.
Nice. So basically, you can stream content
Yes.
essentially through this.
Yeah. Logic of downloading and using it is also with the CE devices similar. Yeah.
Okay. So I guess that's one of the benefits worth mentioning compared to the previous code base. With this one, you get access to app stores basically right now,
Yes.
and that's what you're getting with the new operating system.
So we learned that next to navigation and telephony, entertainment is one of the main use cases and also growing use cases for our customers. So we work on with different suppliers and partners to get more content in the car. Yeah. So content is king. So this is some example showing
of
how
course
the
you-
integration
yeah.
works for China, but we're going to have also a global application for this, and then local adjustments.
And
depending on
each
the
market
country.
decides if they can play the videos while driving or while parking the car or while the car is parked, right?
Yeah, this is
It's all
heavily depending on
regulations.
the legal regulations
Okay.
per each market.
Makes
So
sense. Sure, makes
that's-
sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's just more content on the video.
We're watching movies right now.
Yes, like you can continuously watching if you are logged in with your own account, and also in China we have this VIP content, and you can also watch it on the CID if you have the VIP account. Yeah.
So it basically the content follows you. If you were
Yes.
taking your ID to another BMW, you will kind of resume the video from where you left off, like in a
Yes,
way.
Exactly. Yeah.
Understood.
Yeah, because you were like referencing to the differences with the new operating system. So I would say, first of all, it's the quick select menu structure. So we have now a flat menu structure, which enables by one click to get to the most important customer use cases. We have a more intuitive touch and feel because the home button has moved into the center, and we have a new climate menu, which is also more intuitive to handle. And we have now access to a third-party ecosystem when it comes to the App Store, which enables us to get a lot more content and entertaining to our customers.
Gotcha. So this is the whole demo playing one more time?
Yeah,
We've been to
yes.
this. Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
So that was that. Perfect. All right. So basically, this one will be available in X1 cars moving forward. And then there is a split between 8.5 and 9 based on different classes of cars and all of that. So I guess we'll get into that detail later on when we have a better idea. Understood. Okay, perfect. Well,
We keep
guys,
you posted on that one.
Yep, appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. This was a quick overview of operating system 9, iDrive 9 as we call it in the US. You've seen the 8.5. Rebecca, Chloe, thank you so much.
You've seen the OS 9.
Yes, OS 9, yes. And I guess we'll have a lot more chances to play with this one in the future once the cars roll out the production line with the operating system. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.
Thank you. Bye-bye.